National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Danville, southern Pittsylvania County, the city of Martinsville, eastern Henry County, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, thunderstorms were intensifying along the Virginia, North Carolina border, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Danville, Martinsville, Chatham, Blair's, Collins, Axton, and Ridgeway.